So the first we have आज मेरा खाना बाहर है. Today I dine out. Today I dine out. तुम हमें जाने दो. You let us go. You let us go. सबको बाहर निकालो. Get everybody out. Get everybody out. आप कहाँ जाएंगे? Where will you go? Where will you go? पहले उसे जाने दो. Let him go first. Let him go first. इसमें समय लगेगा. It will take time. It will take time. समय पर पहुंच जाना. Reach on time. Reach on time. एक दिन का समय दें. Give me a day. Give me a day. तमाशा मत खड़ा करो. Don't create a scene. Don't create a scene. मुझे माफ़ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. तुम अभी तक यहीं पर हो. You are still here. You are still here. मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना है. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. ऐसी बातें नहीं करते. Don't speak like that. Don't speak like that. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. उसका मूड खराब है. He is in bad mood. He is in bad mood. बोलो कब जाना है. Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. मेरा कौन सा है? Which one is mine? Which one is mine? फिर से वही बात. The same thing again. The same thing again. ऐसा अक्सर होता है. It happens often. It happens often. मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूँ. I assure you. I assure you. मैंने उसे पाला है. I have raised him. I have raised him. तुम दोनों गुनहगार हो. You both are culprit. You both are culprit. सभी को जाने के लिए कह दो. Get everyone to leave. Get everyone to leave. मेरे हाथ कांप रहे हैं. My hands are trembling. My hands are trembling. उसने भी वही किया. She did the same thing. She did the same thing. मेरी बात कुछ और है. Mine is a different issue. Mine is a different issue. फिर से वही हुआ. It happened again. It happened again. ये मज़ेदार होने वाला है. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. मुझे ज़्यादा तजुर्बा है. I have more experience. I have more experience. जिसने भी कहा है. Whoever said that. Whoever said that. चलो जाकर देखते हैं. Let's go and check. Let's go and check. Now it's your turn. मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूँ. इस सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं. थैंक यू.